Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the screen brightness on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just slide the home screen up on your phone and then select the setting gear button. And now you want to go down and select display and touch. And then it should say brightness level up at the top. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be a little scroll bar. You can adjust the display brightness right up here, left and right, brighter to the right, darker to the left. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.